pretty, man.
Well, that thing's hauling butt.
It is not the fastest, but it accelerates nicely. Watch when I settle. You can see it jump forward.
Uh-huh.
Then you come more active line.
Good. You weren't coming at me either.
Okay, I can't watch you.
Just come right down the runway. Right, come at me. There you go. 61.
Woo! It ain't fast, is it?
Huh?
I bet that's right.
Yeah, of course it is.
51.
This is a radar gun.
Well, it just seemed that way. Well, the gun could be wrong.
That's pretty impressive.
How much?
57.
Oh!
You're almost close to 60. You know, profit.
I love it.
31. I believe this thing. I believe it.
We got the twin in there. We're going to try for it. See how fast we get it.
What's the roll rate on this one?
Let me get a little altitude here. I don't know. That's a good question. We'll find out. Turned around.
Oh!
I lost it.
It's cool. Looks good.
Pretty fast.
Yeah.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, it's nice. Look at that bird.
Wind picking up.
Look at those birds flying. Whoa!
Look underneath how it shows you.
Yeah, going that way. What I like about them, they fly slow good too.
Like about it?
I said they fly slow good too.
I'm happy with its stability.
Yeah, it's nice. Flies good. It's amazing. That's amazing. You fly that long. Amazing.